Every home begins with a vision, and here that vision belongs to Mrs. Deepika and Mr. Dhanashekaran. As a site engineer of this project, my responsibility was to take their dreams and shape into the wall spaces, finishes as that are strong, safe, and timeless. First, we start with ground floor. When you step through the main teak door, you arrive in a welcoming hallway. We kept the flooring in vertified tiles, not only for its elegant look, but also for its durability and easy maintenance, giving the family beauty without extra upkeep. To the site is something the customer specifically wanted, a home theater. He created a dedicated 159 square feet space designed with acoustics in mind and finished with an anti-skid floor. Overhead, we introduced a skylight in a toughened glass, allowing a natural daylight to fill the room, making it lively even before the projector turns on. For convenience, a storeroom was included on the same floor with 52 square feet of a practical storage space so everyday clutter never spills into the main living areas. And the right at the front, a 204 square feet parking zone finished with the anti-skid tiles ensures that family vehicles are always safe, even in heavy rains. Next, for first floor. As we move up to the first floor, the heart of the home unfolds in 1 BHK layout. The living room spreads across 210 square feet, is framed with a wide UPVC windows with grills, giving a natural light, ventilation, and security together. The 81 square feet kitchen was built with a polished granite counter, stainless steel sink, and ceramic wall tiles that are stain resistant, making a daily cooking not just functional but pleasant. We also planned water purifier and washing machine provisions so that the space is future ready. Second floor. The second floor houses the family bedrooms. We provided 3 well-lit rooms, each finished with the vertified tiles and designed with the loft shelves for storage. Bathrooms are high-built for safety and elegance with Parivare sanitary ware, Jaguar CP fittings and anti-skid flooring tiles that extended up the walls for easy cleaning. Balconies with MS railing extended the living spaces, giving a comfort with safety. Third floor. On the third floor, the customer wished for a natural light to flood the headroom. We achieved this with a skylight feature using a toughened glass with a strong MS frame. The open terrace of over 500 square feet is where the family can enjoy evenings or celebrations. Built to the last with cooling tiles and doctor-fixed waterproofing, protecting the house against the heat and rain alike. Structurally, we built the home on a RCC frame structure using M25 grade concrete and white steel, ensuring resistance, strength, and earthquake resistance. Below the ground, anti-termite treatment was applied at the foundation to protect the home from within the soil itself. And for sustainability, we also added a solar provision and UPS wiring, keeping the house ready for tomorrow. Every material, every finishes you see here was chosen for one reason, to give Mrs. Deepika and her family are not just a house, but a secure, enduring sanctuary where memories will thrive for generations.